Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some pleasant conditions across the region this morning. Seeing temperatures below freezing last night at 30 degrees, but today we'll see temperatures rebound about seasonal levels in the mid-50s. Then we'll see a warming trend for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday with above normal temperatures expected. For today, we'll see some slightly breezy northwesterly winds, possibly gusting as high as 22-23 knots for late this morning into the early afternoon hours. So can't rule out a random wind gust up to 25, and from that we should be able to avoid a wind advisory for today. No chance of precipitation or lightning today, so in general, fair weather day across the region. Our sounding from this morning, freezing level around 3,000 feet, northwesterly winds in the low levels this morning around 20 knots and increasing up to about 40 knots at 12,000 feet and then increasing with a jet overhead at 106 knots out of the west-northwest at 25,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis, we do have high pressure in control across our region currently. That's going to be the case for today. We'll have a warm front move through for our Friday, giving us some warmer weather across the region and a very slight chance of a sprinkle across the area. Then we'll see those much warmer temperatures across the region for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see we do have mostly sunny skies. That's going to be the case throughout the remainder of the day today, with, in general, good sky conditions, lots of sunshine across the region. And taking a look at the HRRR model for today and tomorrow, you can see mostly sunny skies, and then we'll see an increase of our mid and upper low cloudiness overnight. We'll see mostly cloudy skies in general for Friday with some mild to warm weather across the region. A possibility of a sprinkle moving through during the late afternoon into the evening hours. Most likely that'll be north of our area for tomorrow, however, so should be seeing a dry day across the region. If we do see a sprinkle, it'll just be brief and not going to see much in the way of total precipitation from that. Moving into our European model for the next few days here, you can see that area of showers off to our north and west for our Friday evening. And then our Saturday looks like we'll have high pressure off the southeast coast, the Bermuda High in place, ridging overhead. That's going to give us warm southwesterly flow across the region and some much warmer temperatures, with temperatures looks like right now in the mid-70s for our Saturday. And then to Sunday, very similar conditions, Bermuda High off our coast, a ridge overhead. We'll see a upper level disturbance starting to approach from the west on our Sunday afternoon, evening hours. Right now that looks like it should not reach the region until late Sunday if it does, but overall Sunday will be very similar to our Saturday. A bit more cloudiness will keep our temperatures a few degrees cooler on Sunday than Saturday, but overall a very nice day once again. And then for our Monday, we'll see looks like showers and a possible thunderstorm for the afternoon and the evening hours, and some of these storms could be strong with this system moving through, a fairly strong cold front moving through the area with some breezy conditions, the windy conditions that had that as well. And move into our Tuesday, we'll see a cooler air mass over the region, giving us temperatures back towards seasonal levels across the region. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a yellow condition for our winds, with those winds gusting around 22-23 knots for the late this morning into the afternoon hours. Then we'll see those winds become more southerly this evening, and with that southerly wind, temperatures will drop quite quickly with that onshore flow off the water, and then overnight we'll turn those winds more southwesterly, 8 to 13 knots by tomorrow morning. So today's high will be around 55, tonight's low around 43, and that low will come during the early overnight hours. The temperatures actually rising overnight and into the upper 40s by Friday 8 local. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see VFR conditions the next 24 hours, and in general, mostly sunny skies today, and we'll see that increase of mid and upper level cloudiness around 8,000 feet by tomorrow morning, with a possible ceiling at 8,000 feet overnight as well. So our tides are running about normal currently, and looking at Friday and Saturday, Friday, mostly cloudy, very slight chance of a rain shower by late afternoon, warmer and slightly breezy, a high of 67 degrees, green chart across the board for our Friday. Right now, go with a high of 67. Some of the guidance is a bit warmer than this, but overall looks like with that cloud cover over the area for most of the day on Friday should keep those temperatures capped in the upper 60s. For our Friday night, partly to mostly cloudy with a slight chance of low clouds, breezy and mild with a low of only 57 degrees, well above normal for our Friday night, with those winds gusting to 25 knots, looks likely. And for Saturday, we'll see mostly to partly cloudy skies, breezy conditions, and warm weather, a high of 76 degrees. We'll see those winds once again gusting near 25 knots, and seeing those temperatures well above normal in the mid to upper 70s. And then for our next 7 days, we'll see those temperatures quite warm on Sunday as well at 72 degrees. Overnight lows well above normal in the upper 50s for Sunday morning and Monday morning. And then Monday looks like we'll see temperatures in the lower mid-70s, going with a high right now of 73. PM showers and thunderstorms on Monday. So Monday looks like an active weather day across our region. Could be seeing some showers in the morning as well, but looks like right now the best chance of those showers and thunderstorms comes during the late afternoon, evening hours. And then for Tuesday and Wednesday, back towards seasonal averages, temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s, with the possibility of our next system impacting the region for late Wednesday, but we'll refine that forecast as we get closer to middle of next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We're back tomorrow morning, 8:15 and 10 a.m.